Ever wondered what it takes to keep a massive railway network functioning like clockwork? Let's pull back the curtain and delve into the fascinating world of railway operations. We're about to explore a job that's absolutely critical, a role that keeps the railways running smoothly and safely, day in and day out. We're talking about the railway signal operator. These unsung heroes are the guardians of the rails. Behind every smooth and seemingly effortless train journey, whether it's a short commute or a cross-country adventure, is a complex, high-stakes ballet constantly unfolding in the rail yard, an intricate dance of locomotives and carriages, meticulously choreographed by these highly skilled operators. They are the conductors of this mechanical orchestra. Think of the yard as a giant, three-dimensional puzzle, a sprawling network of tracks and switches that must be perfectly aligned. One wrong move, a single miscalculation, and chaos erupts, potentially leading to serious consequences. The signal operator sits at the heart of it all, the central nervous system of the rail network, guiding trains safely and efficiently through the maze of tracks, ensuring everything runs according to plan. They accomplish this incredible feat using a wall of screens, a complex array of controls, and sophisticated monitoring systems. Their split-second decisions and unwavering attention to detail are what prevent collisions and other dangerous incidents. Derailments that can cause significant damage and frustrating delays for countless passengers and cargo shipments. Above all else, safety is always the top priority, the guiding principle that governs every action they take. It's a job demanding an almost superhuman level of sharp focus, the ability to maintain concentration for extended periods. It also requires quick thinking, the capacity to analyze situations rapidly and make sound judgments under pressure. And constant, clear communication with train crews, maintenance teams, and other personnel is absolutely essential. They're the calm in the storm, the voice of reason that keeps everyone on track when things get hectic. They are the ones turning what could be a chaotic tangle of steel into a smooth, efficient, and well-coordinated operation. Without them, the entire railway system, the lifeblood of transportation for so many, would grind to a complete and utter halt. So, what does it really take to master this often hidden but undeniably vital role in the world of transportation? Before moving a single car, the signal operator must know the yard layout inside out. Every track, switch, and signal is mapped and named. This is their world. The operator translates daily plans into precise, safe movements, always choosing the best route. Real-time screens show which tracks are occupied and which switches are moving. They're constantly scanning, planning, and anticipating the next move. Mastery of the layout means seeing solutions instantly, even in complex situations. It's the difference between just following orders and truly controlling the yard. Experience and instinct turn a novice into a pro. Let's get hands-on. We're about to dive into the intricate world of rail yard operations. This is where the real work happens, where trains are made and unmade piece by piece, connecting and disconnecting rail cars, the fundamental actions that define the rhythm of the rail yard. It's a ballet of steel and precision, is the core of yard work. It's the essential task that keeps goods moving across the country, ensuring that everything arrives where it needs to be on time. The operator oversees the process, a conductor of this mechanical orchestra, ensuring every movement is synchronized and safe, directing ground crews and drivers by radio. Clear communication is key, a lifeline connecting the control room to the ground, ensuring everyone is on the same page. Coupling is all about precision, a delicate dance between massive machines where millimeters matter. Cars are pushed together, slowly but surely, guided by experienced hands and watchful eyes. Couplers lock with a resounding clang that echoes through the yard, a satisfying sound of connection. And crews connect brakes and power, ensuring the train is not just linked, but fully integrated, ready for its journey. Uncoupling requires careful coordination, a reverse process demanding just as much attention to detail. Brakes set, securing the cars that will remain, preventing any unintended movement. Levers pulled, releasing the grip of the couplers, preparing for separation. And cars separated safely. Each step is performed with precision, minimizing risk and maximizing efficiency. Every move is logged, meticulously recorded to maintain accountability and track progress. Every connection double-checked. Redundancy is key in this high-stakes environment, ensuring nothing is left to chance. The operator ensures the right cars, the correct cargo, and the appropriate sequence. Go to the right trains, facing the right way. Orientation matters, ensuring smooth transitions and efficient operations down the line. Mistakes can send cars to the wrong city, leading to delays, increased costs, and logistical nightmares, or disrupt entire schedules. A single error can have a ripple effect, impacting the entire network. It's a massive puzzle, a complex web of tracks, trains, and schedules, solved one connection at a time. Each successful coupling is a small victory, a step towards the larger goal. The operator is the architect, the mastermind behind the movements, the one who sees the big picture, orchestrating it all from afar. They are the silent heroes of the rail yard, ensuring the smooth flow of goods across the nation. Now let's talk about the heavy hitters locomotives and motorized units. Connecting these powerful machines is high-stakes work. The operator lines up switches, guides the engine into position, and communicates every step to the driver. Final coupling is slow and careful, with ground crews checking brakes and power lines. Safety checks are critical. A missed connection could be disastrous. Uncoupling is just as deliberate, with every step confirmed before the engine moves. Whether bringing in a fresh engine or sending one for maintenance, the operator directs every move. Precision and safety are non-negotiable. Shunting is the chess game of the rail yard, moving cars to build or break down trains. The operator devises strategies, lines up switches, and clears signals for each move. Every action is about sequencing, getting the right cars to the right place, in the right order. Multiple shunting operations can happen at once, demanding intense focus and multitasking. The operator creates safe paths, prioritizes movements, and avoids conflicts. Each command is deliberate, every switch thrown with purpose. It's a complex dance, but the operator keeps everything running smoothly. The goal: every car, exactly where it needs to be, on time. Communication is truly the lifeblood, the very heart of the yard. The signal operator constantly and carefully coordinates with the train control officer, who manages the main lines. Before a train leaves the yard, the operator requests clearance. No move happens without it. The operator also updates the control operator on yard status, delays, or any maintenance. This real-time information helps keep the entire network running smoothly. Every conversation is precise. There's absolutely no room for error. Standardized language and clear protocols prevent any misunderstandings. It's this vital communication that turns separate operations into a seamless railway system. Teamwork is everything in the yard. It's the invisible force that keeps tons of steel moving safely and efficiently. Every member plays a crucial role, and their collaboration is essential for smooth operations. The operator's closest partners are the train drivers, the men and women at the controls of these powerful machines. They are the hands and eyes executing the operator's strategy, who rely on clear instructions to navigate the maze. The rail yard is a complex network of tracks, switches, and signals, and the driver needs precise guidance to avoid collisions and delays. Every command is confirmed, a verbal handshake ensuring that both parties understand the instruction. This redundancy is a critical safety measure. Safety depends on it. A single miscommunication can have catastrophic consequences, so precision and clarity are paramount. The yard planner provides the daily strategy, laying out the sequence of movements and prioritizing different shipments. They are the architects of the yard's daily dance. But plans change, and the operator adapts in real time. Unexpected delays, equipment malfunctions, and shifting priorities require the operator to be flexible and resourceful. Shunters, the unsung heroes of the yard, maintenance crews and planners, all rely on the operator to keep them informed and coordinated. All depend on the operator's guidance. The operator is the central node in a complex network of communication and action. Trust and communication hold the team together, a shared understanding of the goals and a commitment to safety. Everyone's safety is on the line. The operator's decisions directly impact the well-being of their colleagues. This job demands calm under pressure, the ability to remain focused and decisive even when things get hectic. Sharp problem solving, the capacity to quickly assess a situation and identify the best course of action, and great listening. The operator must be able to absorb information from multiple sources and synthesize it into a coherent plan. The operator is the unseen conductor, orchestrating the movements of trains and personnel with precision and skill, keeping the iron maze moving. They are the guardians of efficiency and safety in this complex environment. It's a vital, challenging, and deeply rewarding role. The satisfaction of a job well done, of keeping the trains running smoothly and safely, is a powerful motivator.